All work, no play. Malabo yan. I really love doing content creation, but I just remembered that burnout can still happen, and as much as possible, I want to avoid it. Hey, what's up guys? It's Paolo Marasigan here. And if you don't know me, I'm a tech content creator, and some of you already know I made a big shift this year. So from juggling content creation and corporate work to finally going full-time as a content creator. Dati, after a full day at work, content creation was my escape. But now content creation is my full-time job. Don't get me wrong, it's actually a dream come true. You still cannot escape the reality of burnout. That's when I realized it's not about trying to balance between work and play perfectly. It's about creating a rhythm that works for me, knowing when to push hard and to slow things down. And for me, that's probably the key to staying in the game without burning out. That's where gaming comes in for me. It's part of my rhythm now, my way to unwind when I need a break from creating content. Gaming helps me hit pause and reset para I can go back to work feeling refreshed. Before I dive deeper, I would like to thank AMD for sponsoring this video. This PC setup is truly a powerhouse. The processor I've been using in my PC is the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X, along with the Asus TUF Gaming Radeon RX 7800 XT graphics card. Actually, sa totoo lang, walang perfect balance, but it's having the right tools that could help you find your rhythm. A powerful processor and a reliable graphics card is what drives how I can seamlessly transition from content creation, gaming, or just unwinding. It's actually the rhythm that works for me. So it's like work, create, play, and repeat. Walang forever sa trabaho kung wala kang pahinga. And as a content creator, I found my rhythm. My PC, powered by AMD Ryzen 5 9600X processor, reminds me that having the right tools can make everything smoother. So you can focus on what matters most. Finding the rhythm of work and rest isn't just a goal. It's what drives me to create more and do better. So take a break when you need it and get back in the game stronger. So watch out for part 2 to see how I multitask when I create content. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.